Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your emergency fund with USAA, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your emergency fund with USAA, start by assessing your current financial situation. Review your existing savings and expenses to determine how much money you can allocate towards your emergency fund. Identify your target amount for the emergency fund, ideally 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Research USAA's savings account options to find one that suits your needs. Consider factors such as interest rates, fees, and accessibility when choosing a savings account. Open a USAA savings account if you don't already have one. Gather the necessary documents, such as identification and financial information, to make the process smooth. Once your account is set up, establish a monthly contribution plan. Determine a realistic amount to transfer from your checking account into your emergency fund each month. Set up automatic transfers to make consistent contributions effortless. Regularly review your budget to ensure your emergency fund contributions remain manageable. Track your progress towards your target amount, adjusting contributions as necessary. Consider additional ways to boost your emergency fund, such as windfalls or bonuses from work. Redirect any unexpected income directly into your emergency fund to reach your goal faster. Keep your emergency fund separate from your regular spending accounts to minimize the temptation to dip into it. Review your emergency fund annually to ensure it meets your current living expenses. Adjust your savings target as your life situation changes, such as a job change or family expansion. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to upgrading your emergency fund with USAA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.